Alright. So, here we go. We're gonna start. I'm gonna start with the cart. But I haven't done a toolbox tour in a very long time. I didn't even have this back when I did my toolbox tour. So this is my 3-drawer Blue Point slide. Trust everybody I work with. We're all kind of a fucked up family here. So, laptop, monitor, and a Mac MDT 10 that I got for an ungodly price of less than $1,000. So I picked that shit up very quickly. Aside from that, normally use sockets. You got your oil change stuff, a couple Mac sockets. This is my everyday caddy. Everybody laughs at me in the shop, but I have everything I need for every car. You need a gapper, you got your gapper. A little flashlight, you got your flashlight. Everybody does tire treads and brake stuff. Got that. Other than that, I'm kind of in a mess right now. Actually, I'm gonna put this flashlight away. This would be my lights / electronics. I keep up top. Like I said, I don't really lock anything. This box has kind of turned into a dinosaur. I kind of just throw shit in here now. I do have some useful things in there, so I'll go in there every once in a while. Let's just put this where it goes. Additions. New Snap-on punch set. The rest of this will be the same as before. The rest of that and the cart. So what I did was cut the grid in half so I can use both, and pretty sure that's borrowed and that's borrowed, and I'm gonna have to find out who I borrowed them out. I actually went back to this style because it does shallows, mids, deeps. So quarter, I haven't got the middies yet of the SAE, but I don't use them a ton. Like, as you see, I'm actually getting rust on some of them. I'm gonna have to clean that up. But a couple kits. These are really dope. These super shallow. These are really lifesavers. I also got the 1/4 inch. And at the adverse, got the super long ones. So the ratchet drawer, the infamous ratchet drawer from the industrial line. Get it. Great tool. Everything else, typically comfort grip. Got a couple big ones, got a couple pinch offs, excess air tools that I don't really use all that much. Hammer drawer, I got more hammers in the cart, and a tap and drill. Alright, next upper drawer. Thin sockets, 1/4 inch. SAE metric, they do help out a lot. These are cool. You put your bit right inside there. It locks in. Very cool tool. Other than that, Torx and more. A lot of people ask the reason I do this and this one and the other one and that one is these are longer and they have the No, because they both have this. So these are actually longer. And it's only by that much, but sometimes that's all it needs. Axle nut sockets, including Toyotas. Here's where you get your. I don't have. See, I don't do anything with SAE, but when it comes to metric, I have a ton of metrics. Wrench drawers. I just picked up this. Just beautiful wrench from K-Tools. 20 to 20. I've always wanted one, and I got it. Got, you know, a bunch in there. And then I got my snapping set. This drawer is broken, so I try not to open it along, but you know, snap-on picks in there. Electrical and kind of pullers, and this would be kind of a catch-all, if you will. Torx, biggest waste of money I've ever spent my money on. Do not buy these. This is one of my favorite drawers. My brake drawer. Yes, I do have a drawer just for brakes. Brake wrenches. More electric. Just, you know, everybody's got their paper drawer. It's mine. Battery maintainer. Just some, you know, some air tool stuff. This is where my battery charger goes. All my cases in there.
Big dog, let me get a light something right quick on the way I can do it, Kim, please.
Hold on. I don't know where I put it. Hold on.
Like you, fucking package.
The only thing I just make sure just lay
Put it right back there.
Alright. Sorry, I was interrupted. Alright. In here, there's a couple cool things. Not enough to get all this shit out of the way to show you. Memory saver, gloves. Got all my sprays up here. What can I tell you? Just keep collecting. I forgot to actually go into the cart. So, you know, it's in right next to my cart. I got my torque wrench, a couple of the big wrenches, my homemade hood prop, and a couple of air tools, and the real electrical drawer. Have it everywhere. Like, subscribe. If there's more tools I should try out, leave them in a comment.